congratulations. Heera Mandi is fantastic. Loved Lajo. I think it's such a beautiful, beautiful character. I mean, if I had to pick a favorite, I think Faridan and Lajo would be my favorite.
Same.
Because I think,
Two characters I love.
really,
Yeah, yeah.
Faridan, of course, it has a longer screen time, the character,
Mm.
but Lajo, I thought, had a very good conclusive ending to her character. Would you agree to that?
Yeah, I think it was kind of this one-off character which had no other external ambition other than just sort of wanting to, have a normal life, get married, settle down, etc. And she really didn't have any other ambition like for property or for money or anything. She just wanted to, she's kind of aware of the rest of the world. She wants to sit on a plane and go to Paris with her man. And she definitely is naive in the sense that she believes what this guy is saying and you can see that he's kind of like a douche. I wanted to play a character that was so different, not just from who I am, but also from the kind of work I've done before.
As an actor, this is your second project with Bhansali.
Yeah.
And as an actor, do you have to unlearn a few things when you go into a Sanjay Leela Bhansali set or working on his project?
Uh, no, not really. He's actually, you have to ask him what he wants. Like the minute he feels confident that the person that he's cast is also competent, then he will really relax and like start collaborating. Things that are magical then happen in the moment because he will not guide you for a response. Like, you've seen the show?
Yeah, all of
Okay.
it.
So at the end of episode 2, when Malika Jan sort of tells my character that hum qadr hai tumhari mohabbat ki, have a look at, you can look at him one last time before you leave. So in that moment, she doesn't want to look at him. She doesn't want to lock eyes with him. She doesn't feel the need to. And it's not there in the script. It's just there that she says, you can have a look at him and then we leave. That laugh is not a part of the script. And it's actually not even an okay take. But when he lets you play like that and something magical comes out, he'll retain it.
If you had to pick a favorite character, is there a favorite character in the entire series?
I mean, I love the character I played, that's why I chose it. But after me, I would say I like Faridan a lot. Like I already told you. I've told Sonakshi also, she's pure fire on screen. Every time she comes, she's like, you can't take, the presence is so intense and the character is so unpredictable.
One would actually imagine you playing Faridan because of the kind of roles that you have played so many in your previous work. One would imagine you playing something like this.
That's why I wouldn't. Because then what's the point if you wanna? Because no one is gonna do a song and dance as beautifully as Mr. Bhansali. No one is going to do as unrequited love as beautifully as him. And no one is going to sell that lip sync world and the period aspect of it to you as much as he does. So that's what it is.
And is there a favorite moment from the series? It could involve you.
Like the moments where all the women come together in like a really,
In the end.
whether it's for personal freedom or for the freedom of the country, where they sort of, they're like a balls to the structure and like, I don't care what anyone thinks of us and we have to come together and sort of defend our independence. And when they become real revolutionaries and just gel, I love that bit.
There's a video that is being going viral of Rekha ji coming and kissing a baby bump. It's the most, it's such a cute gesture. Could you just recall and tell me a little bit about it? I know that she's given you a lot of compliments for your performance.
Honestly, I would have loved to see her in a show like this because she's the OG. And I just love her work actually. And she is one actor I really admire also because of the pure range that she has. Like, she can do a Khoobsurat, she can do Madam X, she can do an Umrao Jan, and she can do Khoon Bhari Maang and sell all of it to us with as much conviction. Nothing, it was just like we were chatting about the role after we left from the screening, and then she suddenly felt my stomach. So I told her that, look, I am in this month. So then she was like, oh my God, can I bless it? And obviously it's so sweet. She's very sweet.
Extreme promotions, and I'm sure it's a grueling schedule. It's a hectic schedule. What do you have to say? I mean, it's like you're pregnant and you're there. I mean, I was there at the trailer launch. I'm based in Delhi. You were there at the trailer launch, I remember, and doing everything, and those heavy costumes, wearing all of that, and doing the promotions can be grueling a bit.
It's a privilege actually to be able to work also. I think a lot of women don't have that, and it's also, you know, where you are, who your support system is. But honestly, like all our moms, they work during pregnancy down to the like last few days before the delivery. And I honestly don't want to make a deal about it. Like, I feel like it's the most natural thing.
Thank you so much, Richa, for speaking to Beyond. And Meeramani is fantastic. Hope to see more of you on the big screen or on OTT.
Yeah, big screen, small screen, tablet, whatever.